Hi everyone, my name is Nicole Lamar and this is my discussion board number 2. I completed this with a 3rd grade student. She completed on the speaking portion 1, 2, and 3 with just her answer. There were no complete sentences, so I gave her 1s on all 3 of those. On number 4, she completed it with a complete sentence, so she got 2 points. And then on the last one for the speaking, where she had to tell a story, I gave her a 3 because her sentence was very vague. She did give complete sentences, but there were not a lot of details. As far as her writing goes, she wrote 1 complete run-on sentence. Her verb tenses were pretty good, but I wondered if some of it had to do with nervousness from her. Some things that were different from how she does take CALPA. There were more students in the room than she normally tests with. We did this one-on-one, just her and I, and she just didn't give a lot of details for either the speaking, telling a story, or the writing of a story. So I need to work on her with elaborating more. I completed 2 goals for her. I would like for her to use complete sentences to answer questions for all the questions, and then to add more detail to her stories for both telling and writing. Thank you guys very much.